Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. And you will check enable fast wireless charging. After enable fast wireless charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and updates. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.